Hello, this is my new alarm clock. It has a sunrise simulation feature. The light gradually gets brighter before the alarm goes off, so you wake up more naturally without that harsh sounds. The light is really soft and warm, and you can adjust the brightness however you like. There are 10 different natural sounds you can choose from, like birds, ocean waves, and soft piano. I'll play a few of them so you can hear how relaxing they are. The buttons on the side are easy to use. You can set dual alarms, a timer, or use it as a night lamp. It also has a dimmable moon mode, which is perfect for bedtime. Overall, it's such a cozy and smart little clock. It looks great on my nightstand and really helps me wake up and start the day in a better mood.